Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach chapter number 1, that is integers. Before going to the exercise, let me teach some basics of integers. Integers means it is a positive numbers and a negative numbers. So I have taken number line here. So it starts from 0. So all these are positive from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And on the left hand side it is -1, -2 and -3. So I have marked here few numbers here for better understanding. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. So smaller number is -2, then 1, then 4. So -2, 1, 4 because I have marked here. Now descending order means big to small. So bigger number is 4, next is 1 and next is -2. So 4, 1 and -2. Now in integers there are few properties. So few properties I have written here. So the first property is closure property. So closure property under addition. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So I have taken one example for understanding the addition. Fine. Now closure property under subtraction. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Fine. Now closure property under multiplication. So it is -2 into -5 is plus 10. Minus into minus is plus, 2 5s are 10. So there is a addition, subtraction, multiplication under closure property. Fine. Now next one is commutative property under addition. So it is a plus b is equal to b plus a. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. It means that if you add 2 plus 3, you will get 5. If you add 3 plus 2, again you will get 5. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. Fine. Now commutative property under multiplication. A into b is equal to b into a. Now same numbers I have taken. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. It means if you reverse the order, the answer will not change. But remember one thing, in commutative property there is addition, multiplication but no subtraction. Okay. Now third one is associative property under addition. Fine. Now a plus b plus c. Now here also a plus b plus c. You can see here the bracket is on a plus b and here it is a b plus c. So I have taken numbers a as a 1, b as a 2, c as a 3. So I have, let me add these two. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Fine. Now here a is 1 plus b is 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. It means associative property under addition both are same. Fine. Now associative property under multiplication. So a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Fine. Now 1 2s are 2. 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 1 into 2 3s are 6. 6 1s are 6. So again it is same. Fine. Now again remember, in associative property there is a addition and multiplication but no subtraction. Fine. Now the fourth one is additive identity. Additive identity means if you add 0 with any number, you get that number. So 0 plus 2 is a 2. Now -3 plus 0 is -3. Any positive number or a negative number, if you add with the 0, you get the same number. That is called as additive identity. So identity here is 0. Fine. Now in the multiplicative identity, so 1 into 4 is 4 and -5 into 1 is a -5. It means that in multiplication, if you add 1 to any number, then you get the same number, whether it is a positive number or a negative number. Fine. Now sixth one is multiplication by 0. Now if you multiply any number with a 0, then the answer is 0. 0 into 6 is 0. -7 into 0 is 0. It means if you multiply any number with a 0, then the answer is 0. Fine. Now let us come to seventh one. Distributive under multiplication over addition. What is this? This is a into b plus c. this is multiplication and this is over addition. Fine. So what we can write here, a into b plus this a into c. Fine. This a is multiplied for b as well as c. This is called as multiplication over addition. Now there is one more property, that is distributive under multiplication over subtraction. So what is that? A into b minus c. So it is a into b minus a into c. Fine. Now let's go on to next property. Now the next one is division as the integers. Okay. So here first one, minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b. Since there are both integers carries minus sign, then we get answer as a positive. Here I have written. Remember these signs. When both the integer carries minus sign, then you get the answer in a positive, that is plus. Fine. Now here second one, minus a divided by b is equal to a divided by minus b. Whether numerator the integer carries negative sign or denominator it carries a negative sign, both the answers are same, means in the negative sign. Fine. In the negative sign. So whether numerator carries a negative or denominator carries negative, you get answer in the negative form. Okay. Now third one is a divided by 1 is a. Now a divided by 0 is equal to a is not defined. So any number divided by 0 is always not defined. Now let us take an example. Minus 2 divided by minus 3. Since both the numbers carries negative sign, so the answer is in positive. So it is 2 divided by 3. Now numerator carries negative sign, so minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2 divided by minus 3. Denominator carries a negative sign. Fine. Now third one is 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 divided by 0 is equal to 2 is not defined. Remember these signs. It is very important to get the correct solution. Fine. Now let us move on to the exercise 1.1. Now here the question is, on the number line shows degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Now here there is a 0. On the right hand side it is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. On the left hand side it is minus 5, minus 5, minus 10 and so on. The first question says, write the temperature of the places where it is marked. These are the places where it is marked on the number line. So let us know. So the first one is minus 8 degrees Celsius. You can see minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So it is minus 8 degree Celsius. Now here 0, minus 1, minus 2. So Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius on that particular day. Fine. Now Simla. So it is 5 degree. Now next one is Ooty. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So Ooty is a 14 degree Celsius. Now Bengaluru. So it is 20, 21, 22. 22 degree Celsius. So let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above number line? Fine. The Bangalore is hot because it is 22 degree Celsius, and Lahul Spiti is cold because it is minus 8 degree Celsius. But the question is temperature difference. What is the temperature difference means? Here 22 I have written. Difference is always called as minus. Then this minus 8 degree. So minus into minus will become plus. So 22 plus 8 is 30 degree is the difference. Fine. So the next question is, what is the temperature difference between the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So they are asking the difference. So this is minus 8 degree. Since it is a difference, so I have written minus here, and Srinagar is minus 2 degree. Fine. Minus into minus is plus. Minus 8 I have written here as it is. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 is a bigger number. It carries minus sign. So the answer is minus. So minus 6 degree Celsius is the difference. Fine. Now the D question is, can we say that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Right? So it is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So Srinagar is minus 2 degree plus Shimla is 5 degree. So the answer is 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Fine. So 3 degree is less than the Shimla. Yes, it is also taken less than Srinagar. Fine. Now the second question is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for the correct answer and negative marks given for the incorrect answer. If the jack scores in the 5 rounds, 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what is the total? For correct answer, 25 plus 5 plus 10. If you add this, you will get 50. And for incorrect, you will get minus 5 and minus 10. If you add this, you will get minus 15. So 50 minus 15 is 35. So they are asking what is the total at the end of the rounds is 35. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Now third question is, at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degree on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degree on Tuesday. Now what is the temperature on Tuesday? Fine. So here temperature on Monday was minus 5 degree, dropped on Tuesday, that is also minus 2 degree. So minus 5 minus 2 will become minus 7 degree. So what is the temperature on Tuesday? So Tuesday it is minus 7 degree. Now next, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degree. Okay, what is the temperature on Wednesday? So increased on Wednesday by 4 degree, that is positive. Dropped means negative, and since it is increased, so it is positive. So Wednesday temperature will be minus 7 plus 4 will become minus 3. Minus into plus is minus, and bigger number carries minus sign, so it is minus. So minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 degree Celsius. Fine. So the fourth question is, a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine, floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Fine. Now vertical distance is, it is flying above 5,000 meters. And below means it is minus 1,200 meters. So since we are finding the distance between, so it is negative sign. So minus into minus will become plus. 5,000 plus 1,200 will become 6,200 meters. The vertical distance between them. So let's move on to the next question. Now fifth question is, Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees in his bank account. Okay, so deposit is taken as a positive. Withdraws 1,642 from it in the next day. Withdrawal is always taken as a negative. 1,642. If withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by negative integer, okay, how will you represent among the deposited? So deposited is taken as a positive. Find the balance in the Mohan's account after withdrawal. So deposit minus withdrawal. So you get, if you subtract this, you will get 358 rupees as a balance amount in the Mohan's account. Fine. So sixth question is, Rita goes 20 kilometers towards the east. So this is the east. So from here 20 kilometers from point A to B. So from point A to B. She moves 30 kilometers towards the west. So 30 kilometers towards the west along the same road. If the distance towards the east is represented by positive, so east is taken as a positive, so I have written 20 as a positive. Fine. Now how will you represent distance traveled towards the west? If east is positive, then west will become negative. So distance traveled towards west is negative. So how this 30 kilometer has come? She moves 30 kilometers towards the west. So 30 kilometers is written in the negative sign. Now they are asking by which integer will you represent her final position from the A. So find 20 minus 30. This is 20 kilometers and this is 30 kilometers. So if we subtract, we get minus 10. So this is the final answer, right? So let's move on to the next question. Now, eighth question is, you need to verify LHS and RHS, means left hand side and right hand side. So, A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. This is direct addition, right? So, A value they have given 21, B value they have given 18. So, in place of A, 21 minus, in the bracket minus, in place of B, 18 is equal to A is 21 plus 18. This is direct addition. So, 21 plus 18 is 39. Now here you need to multiply the signs. Minus into minus is plus, then you need to add, so you get the 39. So LHS and RHS, both the answers are same. So it is verified. Second question is, A is 118, B is 125. Here in place of A, write 118, minus of minus in place of B, 125 is equal to A is 118 plus B is 125. Direct addition is 243. You have to multiply the signs, then you will get addition. Then if you add, then you will get 243. So it is same. Now third one is A is equal to 75, B is equal to 84. 75 minus of minus 84 is equal to 75 plus 84. So the answers are same. Fourth one is A is equal to 28, B is equal to 11. 28 minus of minus 11 is equal to 28 plus 11 is 39 and 39. Fine. So let's move on to the ninth question. Use signs in the given boxes here. Greater than, less than or equal to. Here minus 8 plus of minus 4. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 8 minus of minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. So minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Now which one is a bigger number? Minus 4 is bigger. Minus 12 is less than. So minus 12 is less than minus 4. Fine. Now B, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. So you will get minus 15. 15 minus 8 plus into minus of 9 is minus 2. Fine. So which one is bigger here? Minus 2 is bigger. This is less. So minus 15 is less than minus 2. Fine. Now here C, 23 minus 41 plus 11, you will get minus 7. Here 23 minus 41 minus 11, you will get a minus 29. So minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Fine. Question number D and E, I want you to solve this and let me know the answer in the comment section. Let's move on to the next question. Now the next exercise is 1.2. First question is, write down a pair of integers. In that first question, sum should be minus 7. So you need to find two numbers, their sum should be minus 7. So minus 5 is one integer, minus 2 is one more integer. So if you add this, that is sum. Okay, so you will get answer as a minus 7. So what are those pairs? So pairs are minus 5 and minus 2. Fine. Second question is, difference is minus 10. So you need to find out or think two numbers where you should get answer as a minus 10, but it should be a difference. Okay, minus 8 and 2 are pairs. So minus 8, difference means minus, and the one more number is, or an integer is 2. So minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. So now third question is, sum should be 0. So the pair or two integers are minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is a 0. Now let's move on to the second question. Write a pair of negative integers now. So difference is a 8. You should write two integers and both the integers should be negative and their difference should be 8. So here I have taken two numbers as a minus 10, minus 18. So difference means minus. So minus into minus will become plus. Minus 10 plus 18 is 8. Fine. Now the second question is, write a negative and positive integer. There should be a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So I have considered minus 13 as a negative integer, 8 as a positive integer. Now their sum, so minus 13 plus 8 is minus 5. Right? So see, write negative integer and positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Here it was whose sum. Here it is difference. So the two integers are minus 2 and plus 1. So one is negative, one is positive. So minus 2, difference means minus, and 1. So minus 2 minus 1 will become minus 3. Fine. So let's move on to the next question. Now the third question is, in a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0. Team B scored 10, 0, minus 40. Are the three successive rounds. Which team scored more now? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So let's see now. Team A minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. So 40 minus 10 is 30. 40 is a bigger number, so it carries minus sign. So I have written here minus. Team B 10, 0, minus 40 from here. So 10 minus 40 is a minus 30. 40 carries minus sign, so it is minus. So you can see team A and team B, both the scores are same. Now the next question is, can we say that we can add in any order? Yes, we can add in any order, we get the same answer. So let us move on to the next question, that is fill in the blanks. So minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 5 plus dash. So this is commutative property. At the starting I have explained all the properties. So based on the properties, these are the fill in the blanks. So the first one is commutative property. So minus 5 plus 8. If you reverse this, it is minus 8 plus minus 5. The answer is here itself. So it is a commutative property. So second one is minus 53 plus what you need to add here to get the same minus 53. So it is additive identity. So it is 0. So minus 53 plus 0 is minus 53. Now third one is 17 plus what you need to add to get a 0. So it is closure property. So when it is once is positive, then one more should be a negative to get a 0. Fine. Now fourth one, 13 plus minus 12 plus dash is equal to 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7. So it is an associative property, right? 13, 12, 13, 12, and the one more number is minus 7 here. So you need to write here minus 7. The answer is here itself because of associative property. Fifth one is minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3. So it is minus 4 plus 15 plus dash. So again this is an associative property. So the answer is here. So it is minus 3. Fine. So let's move on to the next exercise. So exercise 1.3. The first question is find the products. Fine. Now 3 ones are 3. Since there is a minus sign here, minus. Okay. So B is 21 into 3. First let me write the minus into minus. The answer will be in the plus. So 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. And right here 0. Over. Now minus 1 into 225 is minus 225. Remember one thing, whenever you are multiplying, the signs will also multiply. Now don't see here bigger number or a smaller number sign. Okay, so minus 1 into 225 is a minus 225 since there is a minus here. Fine. Now here fourth question, minus 316 into minus. Minus into minus will become plus. 316 ones are 316. Okay. So minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. 0 into any number is a 0. Fine. Now here minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. So minus into minus, the answer will be in the plus. 12 into 11 is 132 and there is a 0 here. So 1320. Fine. Now I want you to solve these and let me know the answer in the comment section. Fine. So let me solve one more for you, because there are three signs here. Minus into minus will become plus, plus into minus will become minus. 5 4s are 20, 20 into 18, 18 2s are 36, so the answer will be 360. Fine. Now there are three signs here. Whenever there are three signs, you need to write the same. Minus into minus will become plus, plus into minus will become minus here. Now 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. Now all the signs are negative. Minus into minus will become plus, again plus into minus will become minus, minus into minus will become plus. Or else do one thing, minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus. 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Fine. This answer let me know in the comment section. Now here, question number 2, you need to verify. This is the distributive property. Fine. So A into B plus C. So here 18, 7 plus into minus is minus, 7 minus 3 is 4. So 18 4s are 72. Now here 18 into 7, 126 plus 18 3s are 54 and there is a minus here. So plus into minus is minus, 126 minus 54 is 72. So LHS is equal to RHS, that is only verification. Fine. Here B minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. So minus into minus is plus, 21 into 10 is 210. 21 into 4 is 84, minus into minus is plus. Here minus into minus is plus, 21 into 6 is 126. If you add this, you will get 210. So the third question in that first one is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? So whenever you multiply 1 with any number, you get the same number. Since there is a minus here, so you have to write minus. So minus 1 into a is a minus a. Fine. So let's move on to the next question. So the second one is, determine the integer. We need to find the integer whose product with the minus 1 is minus 22. It means minus 1 I have written here. I need to find the integer so that the solution is minus 22. Fine. So 1 into 22 is 22. Right. So the integer is plus 22. Okay. The second one is, you need to get answer as a 37. When you multiply with the minus 1. So what number you need to find here? That is minus 37. Minus into minus is plus, 37 ones are 37. So the integer is 37. 0. You need to get answer as a 0. So minus 1 into 0 is 0. So the integer what we have got is 0. So the fourth question is, starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some patterns to show minus 1 into minus 1 is a 1. So I have started from minus 1 into 5. I have ended till minus 1 into 1 as a 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. This can be written as minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 1 is a minus 4. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is a minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is a minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So minus into minus is plus. 0 plus 1 is 1. Fine. I hope you understood this exercise and the sums easily, and thank you very much for watching. Keep watching the other videos for more chapters and exercise sums. Thank you.